Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another kit share for Kit Conspiracy. This is week 3, and MK and I both chose to use the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Lakeside collection. So we are starting off with this Collector's Essential Kit, and I will open that up and show you what's inside. It does have the nature bits and pieces, which is this little section there. I probably won't take all of them out of the packaging because you can kind of see them there, but I'll show you all the papers that come with it. My apologies for the crinkling, unless you really like that sound. I'm understanding that a lot of people do, so. So it comes with this beautiful paper, make sure I got just one. It's called Take New Trails. And then this is like a collage paper on the back side. And we have Nature Story. That's a really pretty wood grain. And this one is called, or it's still Nature Story. It's the back side. I really like this side too, actually. This one is called Explore and Discover. We've got frogs. I wonder if I have any froggy photos. I think I've scrapbooked most of those. This is actually the first time I've actually opened this up and delving into it. This one is called I Love This Place. It's kind of a different take on a floral. Ooh, I love this side. Just a black and white diagonal, but it's got like some mixed media effects in it. You can see those. I love that. So we know what side I'm using on that one, obviously. I say that, and then the last time we did Kit Conspiracy, I said that on several papers, and I used the opposite side. So we'll see. This one is called Great Outdoors. It's got a moose and more moose on the, and bears on the opposite side. So, Great Outdoors. This one is called Catch of the Day. I don't know that I have any fishing photos, but I might have some canoeing photos. We've got that. This one is called Relax and Unwind. I like this side. On Lake Time, we've got some ducks. It's kind of pretty. And then just this green that's got like a green on green tone with ferns and mushrooms and butterflies and dragonflies. It's pretty. This is the Journal Elements page. I love these signposts. Those are fun. And then mushrooms. I do have a bunch of Scouty photos. I say Scouty, Boy Scout photos. I might have some Girl Scout photos too that those might work with. This one is called 3x4 Elements. So this is the image that was on one of the pages that had the moose on it. It says lake days are the best days. Sunshine and lake time. Leave the road, take trails. Get out and explore your world. And then butterflies. Those would be nice to cut out. The 4x4 Elements. Take time to explore. This is time well spent. Life is good at the lake. And then another collage style paper where it's, you know, nothing really aligns. But that's okay. You can use those for all kinds of things. And then 4x6 Elements. I really like how simple they are. You can add a lot of journaling or whatever. And then this has that interesting flower print again, but it's kind of this yellowy green color. So that is the paper that came in the Essential Kit. And then the kit also came with this chipboard stickers. I'll try and give you a good overview of that. It also came with the 12 by 12 stickers. So lots of options on this page as well. I always love that they include these kind of more simple pieces. So those are kind of fun. And it came with this page pieces, which has all of these bits in it. So it has like the lake, Life is Better Lakeside, mushrooms, lake cabin docks with a boat, geotag, dragonfly, a border strip, a label, this view, some trees, and some green foliage, and a little tiny word that says explore. And then, let's see here, I think this is the nature bits. So it came with this as well. So this is the nature bits. I'll just give you a really good close-up there of what they are. We've got mushrooms, we've got a turtle, dragonflies, more leafy bits, a frog, ducks, bear, moose, another duck, fish, lots of fish, a little fly for fly fishing. So lots of fun stuff in that one. And then we added some solid papers to this. These are all from the same collection, but it is the solid version. So there's 2 sheets of this one. It's called Trail or Lake Blue, Trail/Lake Blue. So I guess this would be the trail side, and this would be the Lake Blue side. So 2 sheets of that. I have 2 sheets of aquamarine fern. So this is the aquamarine side. Try to get the light to hit it the right way. That's about the right color right there. And then fern. And then 2 sheets of sandstone/gravel. So I'm thinking this is the gravel side, and this is the sandstone side. So I always like a good orange. That one works very well. Then we have this sheet of banner stickers. So this is all one piece, and that's all one piece. And you got a smaller banner here and a smaller banner here, and then some little pieces in between. So this one, the work is pretty much done for you. You don't have to do a whole lot, maybe add a few more layers, but yeah, a lot of the work's done for you on that one. We have the chipboard frames. So these are the frames that already have the decorations on them. They look like this. So those are kind of cool. I don't know that I'll be able to use all of them. Like, we don't do fishing because, first of all, my husband's allergic to fish, so we don't eat a lot of fish. And the 2 or 3 times we've gone, we don't usually catch anything because, I don't know, too impatient, I guess. This is the layered stickers. This is Life is Good at the Lake. I mean, I might put some fish on there if it's like we're trying to fish. I might have some scouty kind of stuff of that, but I'm gonna have to look for that. So we'll see. We will see. This is the bits and pieces. And here is what is in it. It says nature is all you need. Captured moments. This says love for nature, stay curious, away from it all, let's stay lakeside, go fish, nature, lake, time with nature, trail, lake, lodge, fresh air and sunshine, away from home, the living is easy, family time together. This one says wander here. So lots of little options. Then we have the chipboard clusters, which look like they have stitching in them, but it's faux stitching. So here is what those look like. So this is a printed piece, and then you have these other pieces that you can put on top. So those are kind of cool. I've never used those before. I'm very curious to see. I haven't used those before, nor have I used the banner stickers. This is the self-adhesive brads, so they're not really brads. You don't poke them through. They have adhesive on the back, which I kind of like. Makes it a lot easier to use them. You can use them kind of like enamel dots or flare. So Those are pretty cool. Let me see if you got all of that in there. And then we got the foam stickers, which starts out with wherever you are, be all there, more to explore, good times, my favorite place to be, explore the outdoors, adventure, enjoy the view. I'm sure you can read most of these. Explore your world, unplug and unwind. We got a catch of the day, which you could totally use that if you were like ordering fish in a restaurant or something to that effect. The little things in life are more than enough. Go fish. That would be actually cute for like playing a card game of Go Fish. So trying to think outside the box and use them for different things as well. I don't know if I have any of us playing cards, but that would be cute. Then I've got this sticker book. We both have the sticker book in our collections. And oh, I should have opened this before I got on here. So let me just slide my knife in there so that I can open it and you can actually see, and I can actually see. I know that looked like I was going to poke myself, but I was moving the book away from me instead of moving the blade towards me. So this is just a sampling of what's inside. So we have all kinds of different things in here. Lots of foliage, which is totally useful. You can use a lot of foliage. Lots of word stickers. We got peace and quiet, sunrise, sunset, our place, findings, crazy times, lake rules, fireside, decks, docks, and flip-flops. All kinds of cool things in there. We've got some more wildlife and boats. Some wood slices that have words and some without words. So that's always a nice option where you get some of each. And in different sizes. I like that too. Okay. We've got some green alpha stickers and numbers. Some labels, my favorite part. Always love the labels. These have all kinds of different words. This is the life, at the shore, stay curious, wild and free, little adventure, let's cook out, nature lover, outdoor adventure, all the little things, say yes to adventures, unplugged, explorer, captured, adventuring, all kinds of fun things in this one too. Living lakeside. I don't live lakeside, but you know, that could be useful. You could easily cut it and just have it say lakeside. But or maybe I might have some of our RV lakeside, so that would work because you're temporarily living lakeside. Go fish, our happy place, lake rules, live, love, lake, laking it easy, and then some more alphas, a small tile alpha, and then a medium-sized tealish green color. And that is it, you guys. So that is week 3's kit, and I know it's a really big kit, so we will see what I can do with it. Again, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays we will be posting layouts. If there's extra layouts, I'll post them on the days in between, but that is what we are committed to do. We've committed to each other to post those days, and we've committed to you as well. So check it out tomorrow and see what we have done. I'll see you then. Bye.